Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll be doing Nev's makeup, so if you're interested in how I glammed Nev, just continue watching. Hey girl, hey. Hi Nevs. So guys, I'm going to start off by doing her foundation, and of course her skin is prepped and primed already. For primer I used the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector, which is a perfect primer if you have oily skin. So for foundation I went for full coverage and highlighting and contour, all that jazz. For highlighting, if you do not know, you use a shade that is lighter than your skin tone, either two to three shades lighter, and for contouring you would use two to three shades darker, and you would highlight your forehead, under your eyes, sometimes your chin and the bridge of your nose. And for contour you would go around the perimeter of your face and give yourself some cheekbones. Yes. If you guys want an in-depth foundation, highlight and contour tutorial, I will leave that in the iCard section or the link in the description box below, so you can check that out. Blend, blend, blend. Remember guys, blending is key when doing makeup. Always blend. For brows, just a regular brown pencil. It's easier to fill in your brows once you've had them groomed. So if you have time, you can, if you know how to do it, you can do it yourself, or you go to somebody who is a professional. Like, don't bother go to a barber and make him leave you with like 2 strands of hair for your eyebrows. No sis, we're not about that life in 2018. So get your brows properly groomed and it will be easier for you to fill them in. And to carve out those brows, even though they've already been groomed, I still want to highlight under her brows, so I went in with the same concealer that I used to highlight her face. Now for eyeshadow, I'm using the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and I'm going in with the orange shade. I don't remember the name at the moment, but I'm going in with the orange shade and I'm using that as a transitional color, as a transitional shade, and I'm focusing that in the outer V. So that's the palette right there, in the outer V, and as well as the crease. You're going in with a fluffy brush, just blend the shadows, you know, make sure it's smooth and it's pretty. And guys, I love this palette. This palette is perfect for beginners. And the Lord said, let there be light, and there was light. Oh gosh, look at that blend. So now I'm deepening the crease and I'm using the burnt orange shade in the palette, same outer V and as well as the crease, and I'm just going to deepen up the crease as well, and I'll be adding some brown. All these shadows are from the Saharan 2 palette. So you see that gradient went from dark to light, or from light to dark. Girl, you see that blend? Ooh. Anyways, so the next step is to go in with some concealer. No, I am not doing a cut crease, but because we've already added shadows and powders to the eyes, I need something for the shimmer shadow to stick to. So the shimmer that I'm using is from the Mini Masquerade palette. It is the silverish goldish, I think it's called Zuri, I'm not sure, but I'm just going to pat that on the lid. And as I said, this is not a cut crease, so I am going to use the same blending brush. I used only one blending brush in this tutorial, which is surprising, but one blending brush, the same blending brush I'm going to use, and just kind of diffuse that line, because as I said, we're not doing a cut crease. So we're just going to blend that out, yeah, in the crease area. Blend it. Like these days now is bare cut crease, but we're not doing a cut crease today. right? And then we're going to go in with the dark brown, and we're just going to deepen up the outer V. That's what I'm doing right there, guys. And makeup is all about blending and like a gradient effect. Don't go in with the darker shade first. That will mess up your eye look. Start off light and then add colors, deepen up the crease, create the outer V, and then you can add in shimmer shadows. And sometimes it helps if the shimmer shadow isn't as bright as you want it, you can spray your brush with some Fix Plus and you jiggy. So I just lined her eyes with a simple black line, no wing or anything. And the lashes I'm using is a Demi Wispy. Demi Wispies are perfect for beginners, and the band is so thin that it's comfortable for eyes. So if you're new to lashes, you can try out the Demi Wispies in any brand actually. Ardell, Cara, you have so many different brands. And now I'm just going to finish up by powdering her face and adding some bronzers, blush, and guys, the clip with the glow got lost, or I don't press record or whatever, but for glow I used my Maybelline Master Chrome, and that glow is beautiful. Like, that product is magnificent. For lips, I lined their lips with just a regular brown pencil, and the color and the lipstick is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amore. These I'm over liquid lipsticks. Like, truth be told, I am over it. But this color is so gorgeous on Nevs. Oh gosh, this red is beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I will respond ASAP. I will help you guys out because it's 2018 and a girl gotta slay. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Yes.